Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's BabyDrea's Beauty. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my lip gloss called Pink Dust. So let's get started. I will be linking all the products that I use in this video in the description down below. Okay, so you will be needing a plate, 2 pipettes, a plastic spoon, a clean syringe, gloss base, the pigment you will be using for the lip gloss, coconut oil, as well as grapeseed oil, castor oil, and e-oil, lip gloss tubes, and gloves. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is putting on my gloves. Now that I do have my gloves on, I will start by putting lip gloss base into my plate. So here I am showing you guys that I completely finished my lip gloss base because I only had a little bit left in the bag. So that's how much gloss base I have in my plate as of right now. So now I will be putting in coconut oil, and you can put as much as you want, but I personally know how much coconut oil to put it in because I'm already used to it. So the next thing I will be putting in the gloss base is grapeseed oil. So grapeseed oil does give you a little bit of a yellow tint in your gloss, but it doesn't really matter when you're not doing a clear gloss like me. Since I'm doing a pink gloss, it really doesn't matter. So I'm also going to be adding castor oil. Castor oil is thick, so you can only add a little bit if you want. I mean, it is your choice, but this is how much I put in mine. Next, you will be adding e-oil as well. So I'm also going to be putting a little bit of e-oil, not that much. Now you will be grabbing a spoon and it's time to mix. In this part that I'm mixing, I will be fast forwarding it. So right here I am going to be adding more coconut oil because it's not to where I want it yet. Now I'm going to be adding grapeseed oil because it's still not where I want it yet, so let's get it. As you can see, I'm also adding a little bit more e-oil, so I did add a little bit more of everything. because it was not where I wanted it to be. So let's keep going. So now I'm going to be grabbing my flavoring oils, and the oil that I'm going to be using for this lip gloss is watermelon. So the reason why I had 2 pipettes in the beginning is to scoop a little bit of this flavoring oil inside the base. So let's do that now. Now this flavoring oil does make the base color pink, but that is not what I'm going for. I'm going for a little bit darker pink. So let's see what I put in next to make it darker. So now that we are done adding our flavoring oil and our lip gloss base together, we are now going to be grabbing our pigment in the color Vivid Cardinal from TKB Trading, and we are going to be adding a little bit of the pigment inside because we do not want to make it too dark or too light. Right here you see me grabbing another spoon so I can put the pigment inside the base. So you will be grabbing a little tiny bit of pigment because you do not want to put too much. It will make the little balls of pigments show on your gloss, and you do not want that. You don't want it to be all crumbled up. So make sure you are really careful because I did make a mistake once. So now we're gonna be mixing it, and as you can see, it does get darker, and this is the color that I'm going for. Now that I'm done mixing the pigment and the base, I will be grabbing a new syringe, and this syringe is 60 milliliters, which is literally perfect to use when making lip glosses. Now I'm going to be grabbing my base and putting everything inside of my syringe. Since my dumb self did overflow it, I did get my spoon and scooped out like 2 spoons of the gloss so the other part of the syringe can fit inside. So right here I am using a pipette, and I'm going to be cutting the 2 ends of the pipette. So this is the first end that I'm going to be cutting. Now I'm gonna be cutting the other end. So now once you're done cutting both ends, you will be inserting it on the tip of the syringe. The pipette being cut is for you to use when you are filling up your tubes, so you can reach all the way to the bottom and you won't have to get stuck on top. So this is how it looks, and now you will be grabbing a gloss tube, and yes, I did wash these before using them, and they've been dried out for about 2 days already. So this is what I mean by using the pipette. You will insert it all the way to the bottom so you can reach the bottom and fill up the corners and everything. So right here it was a little bit hard in the beginning because obviously my hand does not reach the whole syringe from the end, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So right here I'm trying my hardest to push it in as much as I can. Excuse my hairy arms. So as you can see, I'm trying my hardest to push in the syringe, and I finally did it, so yay on that. So I love to fill out the corners and not leave them empty. That's why I did push the gloss, as you saw. Now I'm going to be filling up the rest, so enjoy. I do have a little bit more of the base in my plate, so now I'm going to be opening my syringe and adding the rest of it inside the syringe. Now we're gonna start filling more tubes. So as you can see here, this is where it stopped. So when it stops like this, I do get all of the gloss that was inside the pipette and try my hardest to fill it up. But if that doesn't work out, I do make a little bit more gloss just to be able to fill it up all the way. But I won't be showing that in the video because I do not want to make this video long. So this is how they turned out and they look so beautiful. So I will have these back in stock tomorrow. And don't forget, these are called pink dust. I'm showing you guys right here that it did not fill up all the way, even if I tried it with the pipette that I had left, the gloss that I had left in the pipette. So I mean, yeah, like I said, I'm gonna make a little bit more. But look at these, they're so cute. These are gonna be oily, but you can wash them with warm water. Just leave them soaked in water for an hour and they'll be perfectly fine. Well, yes, that'll be all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to look in the description down below to see all the products that I used and my website and my Instagram. So, thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Thank you.